Did you know? Optimized F1 pit teams can change 4 tires in 2 seconds. Or that real-time monitoring enables real-time action to reduce traffic and congestion. Analytics is the scientific process of deriving insights from data to make decisions. Thus, business analytics revolves around basic business intelligence and statistical analysis. With so much scope in the industry, how do we make young professionals industry ready for a career in business analytics? Yes, that's where UPES, a leading specialization-focused private university, plays a major role. Awarding B.Tech degree in computer science and engineering with specialization in business analytics and optimization, designed in collaboration with IBM. We at UPES nurture candidates into becoming experts who would lead business intelligence projects, advising organizations the best ways to reshape and grow their businesses. Course curriculum covers skill sets. Plus, there are extensive and in-depth workshops and guest lectures from prominent industry professionals. Yes, this is exactly why the Business Analytics and Optimization course will prepare students' career for the economy of tomorrow industry. Join UPES, a leading specialization-focused private university, and be a game changer today.